Hi everyone, welcome to my review channel, and today we're going to be reviewing this humidifier, which is that one. Can you see it? Okay, so that is the front of the box, and this is the humidifier itself. And all you need to do is unscrew this to put the water in. I've already got the water in, and you press this button here to switch that on. So that one stops it and that one turns it on. And for the light you just need to press this button here, and if you press it again it will change colour. It will keep changing colour on the second one, as you can see. There we go, it's changing colour. And that is the end of my review for this. Okay, and I shall leave in the description box where you can purchase this from. And thank you for watching, and see you again soon.